In this video, we look at using the power rule. And so the power rule is for taking the derivative of functions that are in the form of a times x to the power of n, where a and n can be any real number. And what the power rule says that if we have a function in that form, that we take the exponent of n, bring it down and multiply it by the coefficient in front, and then subtract 1 from that exponent. So if we look at our examples here, we have a polynomial that is 5 terms. What we do is we simply apply the power rule to each of those 5 terms, since each of them is in the form of x to the power of a number. So we use our derivative notation, f prime, and we take the 2, we multiply by the 3 to get 6, and then we subtract 1 from that exponent. 3 take away 1 is 2. We take the 5, we multiply by the exponent, which will be 20. We subtract 1 from that exponent to get 3, and then we just complete the process. 2 times the 1 that's there is 2. Subtract 1 is a hidden exponent of 1. And then remember that this is an exponent of 1, so we bring in multiply by the 6, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. We will get 0. X to the power of 0 is just 1, so that's just 6. And this term here of 9 is really 9 times x to the power of 0. And so when we bring that 0 down and multiply, we just get a plus 0. So we don't need to worry about that. Or this term is a constant. The derivative of a constant will always be 0. Now looking at the second example, I'm going to use my laws of exponents to quickly write each term as x to the power of a number. And now that that is done, I can apply my power rule to each term. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Subtract 1 from the exponent. 3 times a negative 2 is a negative 6. Subtract 1 from the exponent. 2 times 2/3 is 4/3. Subtracting 1 from 2/3, remember that that'll be 3 over 3. So that will be a negative 1/3. And then finally we bring down the pi and multiply, and we subtract 1 from pi.